Good afternoon, everybody. Now we're gonna talk about how to basically mount your action camera. It could be GoPro or anything else like this to your helmet. Skiing or snowboarding, whatever you like. So, what we're gonna need is an action camera, the mount itself. Pay attention that this is a curved mount. It has a curve like this because most of the helmet they do not have the flat areas to put it on. And we're gonna need a clip to place your camera on, and pay attention that it has an insert like this, which is a rubber insert, and it helps to prevent shattering, which creates noise like this. So we're also gonna need the 3M scotch to put it. It has both sides adhesive surface, a screw, something with alcohol, face lotion will also do, for example, but do not use anything like nail polish remover or things like that, because it will simply damage the paint on your helmet. Something to put on this alcohol liquid on your helmet like this, because the surface should be nice and clean before we put the mount. And a little life hack from me: you can totally secure your camera with a simple rope. You don't need to buy anything, you can use whatever you have. This one is yellow, which is probably not the best one, but you can use any color you have. So there is number of options where you can put your camera. The first one is like this. From my opinion, this is the best one because it's perfectly centered and it doesn't create any additional weight and weird feeling for you. But you can also put it here. When putting it here, also keep in mind that you will have a goggles just here, and it should not be an obstacle to you, for example, to put it on your elbow. If you put it really low like this, then the camera will not allow you to put your goggles off every time you need it. Also, you can put it here on the side near your ear to create somehow like a 3D shooter first person effect, if you like Doom 3 or Quake or anything else. Could be an option also, or here. Yeah. Another thing to be sure is basically try your camera, just attach the clip. Before putting the mount on the adhesive scotch, because basically after you apply enough of pressure to it like this, it will last more or less forever. It will really hard to remove it. So you need to be sure that your camera is perfectly centered and that it doesn't look down, for example, and you shoot simply the big piece of your helmet and not focusing on what is going on the actual slope. So another life hack is that rope which I showed you. You can simply make a couple of notes. Like this. And fix it here. You have a clip to fix your goggles. Almost every helmet has it. So you can simply do like this. And your camera now is secured from falling over. For example, if you are afraid that this thing will not hold it, or you just when going skiing hit some branch or some obstacle, whatever, and it falls over, then this rope will save you basically from losing your camera. So how does it work? You take your screw and the rope, and you basically fix the rope with the screw. Just screw it tightly. And now you know that your camera is perfectly safe. It will not fall over, whatever happens. So thank you for attention. If you find it useful, just press subscribe for my channel and put likes. Have a nice day. Bye.